What's up, YouTube? It's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, and you're here for another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. In today's episode, I'll be doing some swirly action. Love the new swirly machine. It is a 1 horsepower dual capacitor 15-inch Malish pad driver. It's got a 2.5 gallon solution tank, big wheels, all the bells and whistles. So watch that thing work. This is a home that I do every 6 months, so you're not going to see a big transformation in soil. But today I wanted to really talk about pre-vacuuming and maybe get a little feedback in the comment section if you guys and gals do not mind. I have ran into a few jobs where the client pre-vacuumed for me, and then when I'm done, I see all this hair come up, dog hair or debris, and I end up doing a post-vacuum or bringing in the shop vac and going over it again. So anyway, I've been kind of talking to Damon at the Encapstore about what his thoughts are about a good commercial vacuum. And I had the Sanitaire, which he likes the Sanitaire. And of course I sucked up an Allen wrench, and that was the end of that. But anyway, I really want to have something that has a canister that I can see what's going on, because the other day we did a job and she pre-vacuumed and it looked pristine. And afterwards, we noticed that we had to wipe all the wall boards down. The machine was flipping hair up on the wall boards. And so my wife brought in the Power Speed and she vacuumed, and we got 4 full canisters out of 4 rooms in a hallway. Full canisters of hair. That was after she vacuumed and after a cleaning. And so with a bagged unit, I wouldn't have known that the bag was full, because visually there's no way to see it. I mean, we couldn't even see it on the carpet. It was a low pile wool carpet, so really strange. But anyway, I thought about the Workhorse, and Damon said, yeah, that one's kind of fizzled out. Maybe ask and see. He talked about the Hoover Hush Tone, which I like that one as well. I know Robin at OxyDry. He's had a bunch of vacuums, pretty expensive models, and he pre-vacs and post-vacs. And I know he had the Workhorse, so if you're watching, chime in. Let me know what you think. I'll also tell you, a customer had this Hoover wind tunnel, and I looked it up. It's not that expensive. I think it's like $169, maybe less, at Walmart or Home Depot. I thought it would be a much more expensive unit, but that Hoover wind tunnel, oh my gosh, it had a floor setting and a carpet setting, and I mean, it was just pulling the carpet almost off the floors. It did such an incredible job, and it did have a canister and a HEPA filter system, the whole 9 yards. So, and I'm not trying to be cheap. Do I want to spend $600, $700, $800 on a vacuum? Maybe. But in retrospect, I've talked to a lot of other carpet cleaners in my industry and in my area, and they've said, yeah, that Power Speed is, great because it's basically disposable. If you end up sucking up another Allen wrench like you did on the Sanitaire, you just throw that machine away and buy another one for $50. So, and I do like the attachments. I can't have anything without the attachments. I like to edge and get stairs and corners. So chime in. Look at that swirly. Oh my goodness. If you're interested in a new floor machine, check out Encapstore.com. There it is. You can get the 15-inch or you can get the 13-inch, priced incredibly cheap for a really good all-round floor machine. And there is financing available as low as, I think, $34 a month. So check that out. I'll be looking at those comments. Let's get a little forum going. Let me know what vacuum you think I should get.